Today, I'm going to show you how to completely automate making money on TikTok step by step. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in this video, I want to show you how to turn short 15 to 30-second videos into thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So I've got the exact steps right here, and I want to break down exactly how this works. So before we go any further, I made a complete checklist so you can follow along step by step with exactly what I do to earn commissions from affiliate products. And this checklist also includes hundreds of different affiliate links that you can start promoting today to make money online like I do. So here are the basic steps that I'm going to be revealing in this video. Step 1, create your videos. If you're lazy, you can use the AI tool found at oneclickvids.com. I'll show you more about that in just a minute, but I want to get through these steps here. The second thing you'll need to do is upload all of your videos to Dropbox. Whether you create these videos manually or using the AI tool at oneclickvids.com, it doesn't matter. You're just going to upload them to Dropbox. Then once you do that, you're going to create a spreadsheet with video links, titles, and hashtags. Once you've created your spreadsheet, the last thing you have to do is upload that spreadsheet into the auto poster. And again, this is linked in the description below. This is a tool that's going to let you post your videos to all of your accounts on autopilot. So then the last thing to do is just sit back and watch the commissions roll in. So like I said, I have a whole checklist about this. If you want to follow along step by step, that's at profitpassively.com. So like I said, you're going to use, if you're lazy, you can use an AI tool to generate these videos, and literally all you have to do is type a single sentence into this box. You're just going to prompt this just like you would ChatGPT or Midjourney or anything like that. You literally just type your idea in here, click generate video. There's even some extra features down here if you want to change the voice, if you want to add music. Now what this tool is going to do is create videos for you using AI with the click of a button. Videos that can get you hundreds or even thousands of different views daily. So here's what it looks like.
Hold on. Make sure you don't keep scrolling, because I'm about to show you how to use AI to make money online as a complete beginner. And the best part is, you can make over $5,000 a month if you do it correctly.
So what this tool is doing is it's using artificial intelligence to create completely unique images. It's putting those images into a slideshow. It's putting voice and captions over top so that literally, again, all you have to do is type a sentence and click a button to generate these videos. So basically, if we follow along with the steps here, the first step is to create your videos. So you can literally just use the same script and click this button a bunch of times. You'll have a bunch of different videos, or you can change up the script. Doesn't really matter, but the bottom line is you'll then have a bunch of videos. So like I said, if we look at the steps here, the next step is to upload all of the videos to Dropbox. So I want to show you what this looks like. So here I have Dropbox, and here we've created a bunch of videos. So what we're going to do is take our videos and we are going to create a Google Sheet that contains both the video links as well as the titles and the hashtags that we want these videos to be posted with. So once we do that, once we've created the videos and put them into a spreadsheet, all we have to do is upload them to the auto poster tool. And again, this tool is linked in the description right down below this video. Just upload your spreadsheet to this auto poster, and then it's going to run on autopilot and post to all of your accounts. So here it's going to take this video and it's going to post it to my TikTok account, my YouTube account, my Instagram account, and my Facebook Reels account. So that's the beauty of this, is this system I'm showing you here is not only going to automate your TikTok account, but it can automate all of the short video accounts you have, getting you hundreds, if not thousands or tens of thousands of views per day. And it really is that simple. So make sure you check out the tools listed down below in the description of this video. Grab the checklist at profitpassively.com. If you want to make videos with AI, that's at oneclickvids.com. And if you want the auto poster, that is linked in the description of this video. So I hope this helps show you how to completely automate making money on TikTok. I've done my best to create this checklist and give you everything that you could possibly need to get started. This is perfect for total beginners and people afraid of social media. It works for virtually any product in any niche. I'm going to show you how to grow a brand new account to 1,000+ followers super fast. And of course, the reason you want 1,000 followers is so that you can put a link in your profile here, and then people can click on it and you can start earning money from whatever it is you promote. So like I said, if you have nothing to promote, I have plenty of affiliate programs included in this checklist. All you got to do is put in your email and start promoting them. It's just that simple. So if you enjoy this content, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below. Be sure to leave a like on the video. It takes me a lot of time to put these videos together. It takes less than a second to click that thumbs up button. If you know anybody else who's looking to automate their social media profiles, make sure you share this video with them. And other than that, I can't wait to see you on the next Making Money Online video.